join me as I take on the challenge of singing along to Baa Baa Black Sheep. Let's see if I can hit every note and turn learning into pure fun. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, where do you stray? I wander through the orchard at the start of every day. Pecking birds all greet me and squirrels chatter too. Good morning, little sheep, we're glad to visit you. Baa Baa Black Sheep, what's inside your pack? Colorful balls of yarn in red and gold and black. I take them to the village, to knitters young and old, who spin them into blankets when evenings turn cold. Baa Baa Black Sheep, who's that by your side? A tiny woolly lamb with a bouncy happy stride.
He tumbles in the clover, he leaps beside the brook, and tries to read the stories in my bedtime picture book.
Country wind that sings both far and near.
It rustles through the willows and hums a gentle tune, a lullaby for shepherds beneath the silver moon.
Baa Baa Black Sheep, where do you sleep? High upon the hillside in a cozy little keep.
Stars twinkle overhead, the sky is velvet blue. The crickets chirp their rhythm and dreamland drifts into view. What is your wish?
A meadow full of flowers and a cool, clear fish drill bit.
A world where every creature is safe and warm and fed.
And kindness is the blanket that everyone spreads.
Baa Baa Black Sheep, morning comes once more. I stretch and shake my fluff before heading out the door. With laughter in my hooves and sunshine on my face, I skip along the pathway to greet the whole wide place.
Friendly as can be,
sharing wool and cheer
with every face I see.
Forgiving makes me happy,
and helping feels just right. A little sheep with a gentle heart who shines light.